Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to show you this brand new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. It's got a beautiful blue gel coat, 150 horsepower Mercury on the back. And as we step aboard, you can see that it's got sea deck right here on the platform. Let's go inside and show you the features. The 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. It's got this beautiful dark interior. And it does new for this model year 2020. It has snap-in sea deck flooring, which is beautiful. So we got seamless from the swim platform all the way in, down the steps, in the cockpit and the bow. Sea deck flooring feels great on your feet. If you ever want to take it out, it is in sections. It can snap right out. But it's got a lot of nice upgraded features. The brown complements the blue beautifully. Got a blue bimini top, blue boat cover, 2 captain's chairs, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, 5-inch Simrad screen, shows your engine displays and has a little chart plotter on it as well. Really great boat, the 21 SPX outboard, finished beautifully, 5-year warranty from Sea Ray, lifetime on the hull. Guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. This boat is available, 954-633-2070. Give me a call. I'd love to get you aboard and show you this 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard.